Hello YouTube, ID.4Kan here and welcome to Tips and Tricks 2. We are going to talk fully about the infotainment system. I did get a wonderful comment of one of my watchers, and I would like to show it with you and share it with you because it's really handy and I really didn't know it. So thanks for you. I just forgot your name, but thanks for the comment. And this is actually the result of that comment. So let's see. So let's start. You have the main menu, but you have you want to change some standard stuff. What do? Don't press. Basically that. And every window you see has his own quick option. For the main screen, biggest main screen, you have navigation, you have the radio, and you have telephone, which is currently connected to my phone. But yeah, maps is the best one here for me personally. If we go to the next one, we have these options. Let's go through. You can choose telephone, navigation, your radio. Oh, navigation was nice, by the way. Is that my ID.4? Yeah, it looks like. Anyway, what do I have more? Driving data and or vehicle. Have a good journey, thank you. But radio is nice. Going back to the two lower places, you can choose from all these options. They are just quick, they are just shortcuts, and they will just open the menu for you. And that's the same for this one. I choose App Connect, and if your phone is connected right, and if you enable CarPlay or Android Auto, you will see the Android Auto logo right there. Let me just connect that in the meantime. Let's go back, let's click on it. Android Auto, use Android Auto. I just cancelled that, and it should work. It's my Wi-Fi on, Bluetooth on, it's everything is on. There it is. If I go back, you will see my app is changed to Android Auto, and this nice stuff logo is changed from App Connect to Android Auto, which is nice. Now, if I just hold it again, you will see the options are back, and you can just go sideways and go fix it again. We do have here three other different options. This is normal telephone, but you can change it to the radio, you can change it to driving data, and you can change it to route. Standard is on telephone, and I just put it on where's my navigation? The route right there. It's handy if you don't want to open the full navigation. And I will just check something else. This is normally driving data, and you can also put your navigation, your music, etc. Let's go through all of them. It's the same actually for both. Let me put this back to driving data, and this to radio, not radio, route. That's my personal. And going back here, it's actually the same options as the other slide. This is missing. Let me put that on. Let's say telephone. And help is always handy for now. And if you put your sound once, it's enough. Let's go on. What can we change? Can we change more? You can add. Oh, nice. I am learning more and more. Plus. Ah, nice. You can add more stuff. What does this do? This. Great. And what we can add? No, select it. You can put your same as navigation and one big route or driving data or vehicle. Nice. Telephone, radio, map and music. I do like this. So this is what part 1 of infotainment shortcuts, and let's go on with part 2.